How to fix Roborock S502 error 10. All right, so your first step is to clean out the filter. So just remove the dustbin, take out the HEPA filter, tap out loose dirt, and then rinse the filter with water if it's washable. Let it dry completely for at least 24 hours before reinstalling. A damp filter can trigger error 10 even if it looks dry. Now, the second step you can try is checking the dustbin. So here, just simply empty the dustbin completely, remove any debris stuck in the air channels, make sure the filter is seated correctly and clicks into place. And you could alternatively try a new filter. If you've been washing the same filter for months, it may no longer allow proper airflow, and as such, you have to install a brand new genuine filter. Reset the filter maintenance reminder in the app if applicable, and also check for hidden airflow blockages. If the error 10 remains after installing a clean, dry filter, the blockage may be deeper inside the vacuum. Common hidden blockage locations could be the fan intake, the air outlet sponge, the internal airflow channels, the turbine inlet area behind the dustbin. Several S50 owners found that cleaning these internal passages solved persistent error 10 problems when new filters did not. And then your last step, or the last option you could try, is blow out the intake. So remove the dustbin, use compressed air or a vacuum cleaner to clean the fan intake opening, and just simply restart the robot. And that's it, guys.